want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome. If you guys want to achieve this look, stay tuned. So what you guys will be needing today is Got to Be Glue Freeze Spray, Edge Booster, a wax stick, a comb, of course, crimps, and then you'll be needing a hot comb. Okay, so you're gonna start off by combing the hair. Then you're gonna take the Got to Be Glue spray and spray it, and then you're gonna comb again, and then you're gonna crimp it. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, y'all, so I just be holding it down for a while. You know, it's just all up to you. However crispy you want them joints to be, you just hold them longer. And if you don't want them that crispy, you just, let it go. Don't hold it that long. Okay, so when I get to the top, I part the closure and take the track next to it, use the wax stick, and then I hot comb it down. Then after that, I spray it with the Got To Be glue spray, and then I go ahead and crimp it. I continue the steps with the wax stick and a hot comb on the entire closure just to be sure that it's flat. Okay, so as you guys can see, I don't start at the root. I come down a little bit just because I want the closure to stay flat. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally done with my crimps, and I love my crimps. I think they look amazing. And yeah, this is just a little clip of me looking fine as the fuck. Okay, bye, y'all.